massive flying machine cruising through the sky, carrying an army of drones ready to be launched mid-air. It sounds like science fiction, but China has turned it into reality. Meet the Jiatank, the world's first 16-ton drone mothership. Its maiden flight recently took place in Shaanxi province, and defense experts around the world are paying close attention. What does this mean for modern warfare? And just how dangerous could this technology become? So what exactly is this drone mothership? First, it's completely unmanned. There's no pilot on board. Despite that, it's enormous. The aircraft measures 16.35 meters in length, has a 25-meter wingspan, and can carry up to 6 tons of payload. It's capable of flying for 12 hours continuously and covering an impressive 7,000 kilometers without refueling. Thanks to its modular design, the aircraft can operate from short runways and adapt to different mission roles. This flexibility makes it a true multi-purpose platform. So far, China has successfully flown one prototype, but there has been no official confirmation of mass production. Still, analysts believe more units are likely. As China continues to expand its drone and UAV programs, now comes the most impressive part. This mothership can carry and launch hundreds of smaller drones while in midair. These are not simple reconnaissance toys. The payload includes surveillance drones, loitering munitions, and even small combat drones. Each drone can operate independently, scouting enemy positions, launching attacks, or providing mission support. Inside the aircraft is an internal drone hive, where drones are stored and protected before deployment. While it's still unclear whether the mothership can refuel or repair drones during flight, its modular architecture suggests future upgrades could make long-duration operations even more effective. In modern warfare, drones have already changed the battlefield, but most drones still rely on ground launches or support aircraft. A flying mothership removes those limitations. It can deploy drone swarms anywhere at any time, extending operational range, reducing risk to human pilots, and overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer numbers. This airborne platform could penetrate contested airspace, gather real-time intelligence, or conduct precision strikes while remaining outside the reach of traditional air defenses. In essence, it acts as a mobile drone base in the sky. Beyond military use, the technology also has civilian potential. It could transport heavy cargo, assist in disaster relief, restore communication networks, and survey remote or damaged regions. Strategically, the drone mothership highlights China's push toward autonomous high-tech aviation, capable of controlling airspace through intelligent drone swarms while supporting both defense and civilian missions. In short, this is not just another UAV. It represents a major shift in how future conflicts may be fought.